Hello, this is Mark Carrington from markcarrington.com. This is a quick review of a new product by Kevin Fahey called Video Marketing Domination. It's the fifth in his Premium PLR Reports products series. So let's just step across to the sales page. It's become an instant authority in the ever-growing video marketing niche with this brand new Premium PLR product. So PLR is private label rights. Basically what it means is that you can use the product as your own with your own name on it, and you can sell it in any form that you wish and keep all of the profits. So let's just wander down the sales page here and see what you get. What you get is a bundle of products, an ebook, checklist, resource sheet, and a mind map. It's a complete business in a box. Basically what that means is that you got access to a product, to an ebook, which you can brand as your own and sell as your own product. So module number 1 is an ebook. Module 2 is a checklist. There are always 18 steps in one of these checklists, all the things that you need to be going through. There is a resource cheat sheet. There is a mind map, which gives you a top-down picture of the strategy and the approach. There is a resource report, which tells you all the things that you need to have access to. And it also includes all of the elements you need to run a sales page. So a sales page and a thank you page, and also an opt-in page and a lead magnet so that you can build your own list. Those are delivered in HTML format. So if you're accomplished at implementing HTML, it's a question of putting in your autoresponder links and your payment button, and off you go. It includes 3 versions of the graphics so that if you can change each of these. There is a bit of work to be done to implement those graphics, but you have the full Photoshop file so you can change them around as much as you like. It also includes 10 articles which you can use for blog post material and or for social media posting. You have the private label rights for those, so you could bundle those up and convert them into a product for sale too. It includes a series of 7 promotional emails which basically promote the ebook, but also includes in every second day suggested products from Kevin's library of products to promote, with automatic approval to Premium PLR Reports customers for selling the product on Warrior Plus. You basically have to put in a secret code and his customer support team will approve you. And then it's just got the information on the licenses. There are different licenses attaching to different ones of the product. Some you can sell the product for private use, and some you can actually sell the resale rights, so you can actually sell the rights to sell the product to other people. Now, I bought these products some time ago as part of the series. So you can see there are 5 in the series: Work from Home, Affiliate Marketing Mastery, Social Growth Hacking Mastery, Email Marketing Power, and Video Marketing Domination. So I'm going to click on this one here just to show you the layout of the membership area. So here we are. So I've now clicked them. We can access all of the downloads as a single download. So each one of the elements will all just be put into a single folder, which is what I've done. Ebook, checklist, cheat sheet, boom, 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 all the way through, all in one folder. Or if all you're going to do, as for example what I do is I use the checklist as my lead magnet, so I just download that one, and I'm selling the ebook, and all I have to do is download that one, and then I'm going to change the graphics, so I can download the graphics, and I'm going to use these promotional emails as the follow-up. So I'll download those, and that's all I need to download, rather than downloading a high amount of stuff. There are some bonuses that come in with Kevin's product. which are the important one of these is this access to his mastermind group. And there's a bonus that he doesn't talk about, is the training that goes on how to actually implement the whole of this system. Now I'm just going to step into two of the products because I have actually bought the product. I am free to share the product with the checklist in particular. I'm just going to go through, as I mentioned, there are 18 steps. There are always 18 steps in one of these checklists. And so the importance here for video is the few things that you've got to get right. You need to be different, and you need to be creative to engage people. So that's step number one. Step number two is to include the keywords that YouTube uses to categorize your video, and then so that you can actually rank your video. And then the second piece of advice in this topic area is to publish to a schedule, which is a piece of advice I must say I could do a whole lot better. So the recommendation is to publish it. If you do it once a week, do it at the same time every week, or if you do twice a week, just create a calendar of your posts and then set up your videos in advance and then just publish them on an automated way. And then the last area is to how to increase the ranking once you've done the keywording right, is to work out, see if you can find a way to get influencers that are in your niche to work with them to promote your videos. The last thing I want to do is I just want to demonstrate some of the practicality of what's in this checklist. So item number 17, this probably needs to be up at the top list, is don't make longer videos if you're a beginner. You do not have to make a new version of Ben-Hur. All you have to do is get your message across in 2 or 3 minutes. And then the last piece of checklist advice is include the important features about your product in the first 10 seconds. Say what you're going to say it, and then encourage the viewers to keep watching it, and at the end of it put in some sort of call to action so that they know what to do next. Next thing I want to do is I'm going to show you the ebook. The ebook comes without any graphics in it, so you put your own, you can choose your own graphics in there, put your own name in it. You can change these names as much as you like. This is a PDF, but there are the Word document versions, so you can change it as much as you like. I'm just going to go through the table of contents and show a little bit about the structure. It's got a chapter on getting started. It's got a chapter on the marketing platforms you should know, for example, YouTube. It's got a chapter on the software you need to make the videos, to make and edit the videos. It's got a chapter on the equipment you should own, and at the starting point all you need to do is a smartphone. In time you want to add in a decent microphone, so I have a decent microphone here, for example, for making my videos. It's got a chapter on how to add captions and subtitles to videos, and then it steps up a level and talks about brand awareness, how to get traffic, the secrets to success, and the direction that video marketing is going. And then ultimately it's got a big picture on why video marketing is important for your business. So this is all about how to, and this is all about strategy. So getting the high ground of how you're going to get yourself into a position to dominate with your video marketing. So I've talked about the front end, I've talked about what's in it. So let's just talk about what else is in the funnel. Just one point about the front end. It's starting at a dime sale at $11.95. Launch is September the 14th, and the price will go up. It will be capped at $29, and after the launch period, $29 is the price it will be sold for on an ongoing basis. So that is it'll become an evergreen product. The first upsell has two elements. It has the templates for Convertry, Thrive Themes, or Optimize Press 3, so 3 different page builders, and a script and a voiceover with a male and female voice to create a video sales letter. So that's particularly attractive upsell if you are using any of these page builders or you want to create your own video sales letter. The second upsell is 4 additional complete PLR funnels. So this is access to the other products. So I'll just step back to the membership site. Let's step back to the membership site. This is the membership site here. And it's these 4 products: work from home jobs, affiliate marketing mastery, social growth hacking mastery, and email marketing power. Those are 4 really important topics in the whole of the internet marketing journey when you add in the video marketing domination. So that is the second upsell. So for $97 plus the $13 you pay here, so you're at $110 for 5 products. You're basically somewhere around the $25 per product mark. And there are 2 versions of this because you can actually, there's a downsell here. If you choose to leave out the VSL, you actually just get access to the front end products. The third upsell is an upsell of a trial membership to Kevin Fahey's Internet Marketing Checklists. It's a $3 trial for 5 days and then $17.95 per month. What that gives access to is all of the products that have been released so far in 2020 on the IM Checklist product suite. And I think there is 1 new product still coming. There's still scheduled, or 1 or 2 new products still scheduled. I have access to these and they are very topical. So let's just have a quick step across to, these are the 2020 checklist releases: memberships, sites, lead sources, tasks and planning, funnels, e-commerce, Instagram marketing, local marketing, Facebook ads, content management. Those are the ones that have been released. And then the next one that's coming up is online traffic for marketers, which is coming soon in a week or 2. And then there will be a few more released on a regular basis through the year. So if any one of these topics are of relevance to you, $3 trial, get hold of them for that trial period, work out how to deploy them, and then decide whether you want to continue in your membership. For example, if online traffic for marketers is of importance to you, then pay another month and just keep moving along with the product. So that is the IM checklist trial membership. And then the last upsell is you can access all of the existing internet marketing checklists for a price of $197. So per checklist, that's a very small amount to pay. And my advice always on those is only buy things that you're ready for, that you're ready to deploy and that you are going to deploy. So that if you are ready, go for it. If you're not ready, wait until such time as you're ready, because you can be sure that Kevin will provide access to this product on an evergreen basis. Basically what you do is you sign up for his trial for a period of time, get access to this product, and then deploy. So that concludes my discussion around the front end and all of the upsell opportunities. The next thing I want to cover, though, is what to do with the PLR. You have the rights to use the product as your own. You can bundle it up, mix it up in any way you like, brand it whatever way you like, and sell it as your own product. So what I have chosen to do, what I have been doing with the product is, do it by example, is I have deployed 2 of those 5 products already. I've not yet done video marketing domination. Is a opt-in page, a thank you page, and a bridge page, which then bridges you to an offer page to sell the ebook. I use the checklist as the lead magnet and then sell the ebook as the main product, and then there's a download page. And I've done exactly the same structure with the affiliate marketing mastery. You'll see opt-in page, bridge page, offer page, and a download page. Now I have just deployed the product directly as with the graphics that come with the core product, and that's a shortcut way, because this is what everybody does. So the smart thing to do is to change the front graphic for each of the products, so that it's got your own imagery and your own words here. These words, quite frankly, I think work, so just changing the imagery is all you have to do. Let's just do a quick preview. So this is the convertry page. That it's a very simple page. What Kevin's version of this is, it actually has an opt-in box here, so it's got a button and an opt-in box. I have actually done some work to change this, and I'll just show you the sorts of changes that I've made. Now the beauty is that his page gets you up and going really fast. So the changes that I've made here is these all point to my own pages. I now have a clickable button which then goes into my opt-in. Put your email in, and I have also put an exit pop-up which takes you to another product for anyone who chooses not to opt in, who just wants to exit. So that's a little bit of extra work I've done, but quite frankly that took me about 10 or 15 minutes to add to already completed landing page that Kevin had provided. So if you're accomplished in HTML, grab the front end, change the graphics, add in your own links, add in your own branding, and for a price somewhere around $12 to $29, you've got a business that's ready in a box. If you are less comfortable about deploying the HTML landing pages, sales pages, and you use any one of these three platforms, Convertry, Thrive Themes, or Optimize Press, these two, Thrive Themes and Optimize Press 3, work on WordPress, so you grab hold of this upsell and then deploy using your favorite page builder. If you want to do a video sales letter, you just buy the whole of this upsell, or you you remove the templates and you pay $27. Then if your business is ready to deploy work from home, affiliate marketing, social media mastery, and email marketing power as products that they do complement each other, this is a very attractive upsell. $97 includes the templates, and then $57 takes out the templates and just has the VSLs. And then the trial membership, if you're ready for that, that is an interesting add-on. I appreciate your time, and I wish you every success in your video marketing domination.